Hello, I'm making a series of videos about my trip to Tokyo in 2012. The video that you're watching right now is part 13 of this series of videos. If you want to learn more about why I went to Tokyo in 2012 and why I'm sharing this right now in 2024, I recommend that you watch part 1, which is the introduction to this series of videos. So here's Japan and here is Tokyo. So today we are trying mochi strawberry cheesecake, and I have some kelpis concentrate. Basically just mix it with water. Yeah, it's not too bad actually. It's not mind-blowing, but it's decent. Throughout this series, I'm using the notes that I wrote back in 2012 in French. Mercredi 8 août 2012. Au téléphone sur Skype de 5h30 à 6h40. So that's a closer view of Tokyo. So every morning I walked from the house somewhere there up to Kosuge Station. So that's the house. And right there, you can see it's a highway. Yeah, it's a highway. It's a big road. So it's right over. Yeah, right over the house nearly. So there's a little bit of noise, and there's a road right behind you. Yeah, you can't really see it. Oh yeah, you can. So yeah, there's a little bit of noise, but that's alright. And that's the rest of the houses, the little street, which is really quiet. Yeah, that was a really nice, despite the noise, it did feel really calm. So very nice. Calm little streets, highway, calm little streets. Let's go to the station. Yeah. And then I took 3 different trains from Kosuge Station to Shinokubo Station, and then I walked from Shinokubo Station to the language school. À l'école jusqu'à 13h. Oh, that's at the school. So that's the lunch area. And that's the smoking area outside. Yeah, nice little balcony for the smokers. The streets. Alright. So that's the entrance on the 3rd floor with the reception area right there. And my classroom is on the 2nd floor. I did not remember that. I thought it was all on the same floor. Yeah, okay, Japanese language school. Oh, right, yeah. I remember that area, yes. There was also a reception area there. And my classroom is there. other people there. I don't know, I don't remember. That's some food in the Konbini store, I guess. More food at the Konbini. That's the food I actually bought. À 14h, départ pour Akihabara. So, Akihabara Station there. J'ai passé l'après-midi là-bas jusqu'à environ 18h. Achat d'une carte SD 16Go à Labi. Achat d'un hub USB plus carte SD à Yodobashi Camera. J'ai vu des petits magasins d'occasion pour jeux vidéo et photos. Alright, going to Akihabara. So now I spent the afternoon in Akihabara. I've already been there, but I'm going again because I have an issue with my laptop. The laptop is dying. So I need to buy another SD card and an adapter. Okay. In order to transfer on the school computers on my hard drive. And at the same time I'm doing some shopping and looking at the shops. So here I'm in front of a lot of little tiny shops. Right. That's the paradise for like DIY and stuff, yeah. What? So cool. A lot of things. A lot of like plugs, tools, so on. No, that's something else. What was it? Gundam Cafe. Alright, trying the gachapon. That's for little fish. Alright, let's see it. I don't remember that. What do I have? Okay, it's a purple one. Yeah, how do I show it and hold the camera at the same time? I don't know, maybe get a tripod. So here, hesitation between those ones looking like sabers, the Harry Potter, the lasers, and Harry Potter, yeah. I don't remember any of those. I don't think I bought any of those actually. There's something with only gachapons there. It's really small, but it's just gachapons. Okay, wow. Just that. Wow. That's a lot of gachapon. Okay. Oh, a cap with a fan. So that's all the Game Boy games. Nintendo? No, I don't know which one that is. Game Boy, Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Color, the regular Game Boy Pocket 2. That's not too expensive. Those are 2,300. So that would be, at the time, that would have been like 22 or 23 euros. Now it should be less than 20 euros. Unless I'm misreading that. Oh, stop moving so much! Why are you moving so freaking much? Why? You know what that is, I'm not translating. Dear Lord, where am I? The fuck, what am I doing? Le soir, course au Tobu-Store, rentrée à la maison à environ 19h. So then in the evening I went back to the house, so to Kosuge Station, which was the closest station, and there was a Tobu-Store right under the station. There, Tobu-Store. That's where I would buy most of my dinners. Aww, neko desu. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!